I am mashing the potatoes. Even hard things become soft when enough pressure is applied. I am pouring the milk carefully. Too fast, and even simple things can spill. I am frying the chicken. Hot oil teaches one lesson. Stay careful when things become intense. If you connect English with daily work, your tongue starts accepting it naturally. Tell me honestly, are you enjoying learning this way? I am adding salt. Too much salt teaches the same lesson as too many words. Both can ruin the result. I am kneading the dough. Soft hands and patience always give better results. I am grating the cheese. Small pieces spread better. Kindness works the same way. I always believe calm repetition teaches more than pressure. Would you like more kitchen English or daily home English? Tell me in the comment section. I am flipping the omelette. Timing matters. 1 second late changes everything. I am roasting the chicken. Slow heat often brings the deepest flavor. I am cleaning the board. A clean place helps a clear mind. This took me many years to understand. I am whisking the eggs. Sometimes the best result comes after a little shaking. I am serving another plate. In our days, guests arrived before the food was even ready. I am dicing the apple. I thought of eating the apple first, then I remembered the cameras watching. I am mincing garlic. Strong flavor, but only a little is enough. Same with strong words. I am chopping tomatoes. Small pieces cook better, just like small habits build a better life. I am stirring the mixture. If you stop too early, things settle at the bottom. Life is often like that too. I am mixing everything well. Different ingredients work best when they accept each other. I am boiling water. Some things only change when the heat becomes strong enough. I am slicing the onion. Life also needs balance. If you cut everything in anger, the taste changes. I am cleaning the board. A clean place helps a clear mind. This took me many years to understand. Language improves when you use it in daily life, not only in books. Tell me, what would you like to learn from me in English next?